Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, what if we could live there? Or stared at a car and thought, why does this thing still run on gas? Most of us shrug off those questions. But Elon Musk didn't. He made them his mission. Today, he's known as the billionaire behind Tesla, SpaceX, and even Twitter, now called X. But before the fame, before the spaceships and self-driving cars, Elon Musk was just a quiet kid with big dreams, and even bigger doubts from the people around him. This is the story of how one man refused to accept normal, and decided to build the future instead. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa, in 1971. As a child, he was shy, introverted, and obsessed with books. He read for hours, science fiction, encyclopedias, even computer manuals. While other kids played outside, Elon was busy trying to understand the universe. Unfortunately, his school life was far from peaceful. He was bullied severely, once beaten so badly that he was hospitalized. But instead of becoming angry or broken, Elon became determined. He turned his focus inward, exploring computers, coding, and eventually programming his first game at age 12, which he sold for $500. That small success planted a powerful belief in his mind: if I can imagine it, maybe I can build it. At 17, Elon left South Africa for Canada, and later moved to the US to study at the University of Pennsylvania. He earned degrees in physics and economics. But he wasn't interested in climbing a corporate ladder. Instead, he wanted to ride the wave of innovation the internet was creating in the 1990s. Vocabulary break: ride the wave means to take advantage of a growing trend or opportunity. Example: she rode the wave of social media popularity to build her business. In 1996, Elon co-founded Zip2, a startup that helped newspapers move online. At a time when the internet still felt like a novelty, most people dismissed it. But within 4 years, the company was bought for $307 million. Elon was just 27, and already a millionaire. Next came X.com, an online banking platform that later became PayPal. Again, Musk was thinking ahead. He believed that money should be digital, fast, and global. Vocabulary break: forward thinking, is a word often used to describe someone like Elon. It means having a mindset that plans and innovates for the future. In conversation, a forward-thinking leader is always 10 steps ahead. When PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion, Elon walked away with $180 million. Most people would take the money and disappear to a private island. But Elon? He saw new problems to solve. The first: space travel. He didn't just want to visit space, he wanted to make humanity a multiplanetary species. That dream led to the birth of SpaceX in 2002. And most people thought he had lost his mind. The early days of SpaceX were brutal. Elon poured in nearly all of his PayPal money. The first 3 rocket launches failed spectacularly, each costing tens of millions of dollars. The media laughed. Critics called him delusional. Vocabulary break: delusional means believing something that's very unlikely or impossible, often irrationally. Example: he's delusional if he thinks he can finish that project in one day. By the time SpaceX launched its 4th rocket, Elon was nearly broke. That launch had to work. And it did. The Falcon 1 reached orbit, and suddenly, everything changed. NASA noticed. They awarded SpaceX a major contract. The laughing stopped. Elon Musk had done the unthinkable. But just as one rocket company was taking off, he was already onto his next project: electric cars. When he joined Tesla, the idea of a sleek, fast, battery-powered car was seen as a joke. Gas-powered vehicles ruled the world. But Elon saw the future: clean, silent, electric. He bet everything he had, again. And nearly lost it, again. By 2008, both Tesla and SpaceX were on the verge of bankruptcy. Elon had to choose which company to save. Instead, he split his remaining money between both. Vocabulary break, all in, is a phrase often used to describe Elon's mindset. It means putting everything, money, energy, reputation, into one risky move. Example: she went all in on her dream, even when everyone told her it wouldn't work. It paid off. In the years that followed, Tesla became the world's most valuable car company. SpaceX became the first private company to send astronauts into space. And Elon Musk? He became a visionary in the eyes of many. Vocabulary break: a visionary is someone with bold, original ideas for the future. In everyday English, he's a true visionary. His ideas seemed crazy at first, but now they're changing the world. But Elon's story isn't just one of success, it's one of obsession, risk, and relentlessness. He's known for working 80 to 100 hours a week. For pushing his employees to their limits. For refusing to accept anything less than excellence. Vocabulary break: relentless means never stopping, never giving up, even under extreme pressure. Example: her pursuit of justice was relentless. She never gave up. And while some call him a genius, others describe him as controversial, even erratic. He's been criticized for his behavior on social media, for making impulsive decisions, and for creating intense work environments. Vocabulary break: erratic means unpredictable or inconsistent. Example: his behavior became erratic after the company started failing. Still, no one can deny that Elon Musk has disrupted multiple industries: cars, rockets, satellites, AI, and now, even social media. Vocabulary break: disrupt means to completely change how something is traditionally done, often in a bold or unexpected way. Example: streaming services disrupted the entire movie industry. So, is Elon Musk a genius? A madman? A lucky risk-taker? Maybe he's all of those things. But more than anything, he's a man who refuses to accept the world as it is. He doesn't wait for permission. He doesn't follow the rules. He creates his own. And whether you agree with him or not, he's made us ask bigger questions. About energy. About humanity. About what's really possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. We share real stories to help you learn real English, through the power of storytelling. See you in the next video.